Hi, I'm Dino from Shark Industries located here in Rockford, Minnesota. I'm here to talk to you about an incredible product called the Isse snow sock. Isse snow socks were invented by a French engineer whose mom would put socks on his shoes while he would walk to school to prevent him from slipping on the snow and ice. And that translated to the Isse snow socks. It's the same concept. It draws the moisture from the ground and it helps the fabric adhere to the snow, and that's how you get the traction. It's important for you to order the right size snow sock for your car. If you go to your tire, on the side there's a series of numbers, and you would plug that number into our calculator on our website, on the Shark website. And also on our website we have a chart that you can look at your tire size and determine what snow sock fits your car. Once you have your snow socks, the simplicity of installing them is as fast as this, and I will show you. Get the snow sock over the tire as far as you can get it on, drive forward, finish installing the snow sock, and you are done. You don't have to make it perfect. Once you start driving, the snow sock self-levels and you're good. Advantages of the Isse snow sock over the conventional chains. They are much lighter than chains, easier to install than chains, and they don't rust. In Colorado, California, Seattle, Washington area, when they require you to put on chains, the state police will recognize the Isse snow sock as an alternative traction aid for chains. The difference between the Classic and the Super is their thickness and weave. The Super is thicker and has more material, which means that it'll last longer. But they both provide the exact same traction and are much superior to chains. Don't get stuck this winter. Order your snow socks today from Amazon, AutoZone, or GetSnowSocks.com.